I have a few stationery items I bought over here. They're used stationery items I found from a user on Instagram who is destashing their things. Some of these brands I have bought from before. I'll go ahead and start with this. This is a stamp. And like I said, all of these are used. This is a stamp by Journal Pages. And these two stamps are by the brand Two Raccoons. It says, I see your eyes, love, and then love is a game. And I think the retail, I got these two for $2 as well. Like together, $2, so $1 each. But the retail price of these should be around probably $7 or $8 each. This is the rubber on them. So I think I got a pretty good deal. This is the Freckles Tea. These are the ones I don't have. The Freckles Tea washi tape. And this looks like it's the matte version. And this one is more of a fall theme, I think. Like I'm seeing, I think there's like mushrooms and stuff. Oh, very lovely. Also, the matte version. And I think that's the end. I think the loop for both of these tapes are not even 100 centimeters. They're like 77 centimeters, I believe, from my research. Okay, and so right now I'll probably go ahead and maybe journal a bit in my Hobonichi. To be honest, I have not been journaling. I'll test these stamps out in my Hobonichi, but I have not really been journaling lately, just because I've been having some eye trouble throughout the year. I mean, it's so much better now. Like every month it gets better than the previous month, so at least that's a good thing. Just have this craft mat though. Put this under. And today is July the 30th, so I'll do like some basic setting up the layout. I think I'll use this stamp. Yeah, this ink over here, the Chachihata, is actually not very good for the Tomoe River paper, to be honest. There's too much shadowing. So I did recently buy the Versa Magic ones. And I also want to use this little house. Put it over here. Maybe I'll cut some of this tape over here. These are like, it's like a summer theme, so I'll go with that. I decided to buy, obviously, this full roll as well because it was, like I said, only $3. And that's like such a good price. That's typically how much you'll get with a sample pet tape. Not even that, maybe around $4. And the fact that I found it, someone was selling it used. Or, I mean, technically it's not used, but it's not a full roll. So yeah, I want to get back into journaling. I do it every now and then, but it's obviously not every day. And speaking of Hobonichi season is in like a month. Yikes. I'm hoping they have like newer versions of the Hobonichi, like newer books, if that makes sense. Like maybe of the weeks or something, like a different style. I've been hoping they like come out with like a vertical layout for the weeks. I don't know how it would work, but that would be like so nice. Kind of like how they technically have the Hobonichi cousin, but like I want something smaller. Also, I've been into, I want to try more collage journaling instead of, which is like a different style of journaling basically. Okay, and I think that's a good, let's see if I can find maybe a girl sticker I can use. I have this Hello by Windry Ramadina. Let's see if I can find something that will go well with this. this actually. Okay, I think this one is the one I'm leaning towards. Okay. Seems like it would work good. Let's see, I have these two. Maybe, yeah, I'll go with this. This actually looks really lovely. I love the text of this. This one, loves a game. Maybe I'll put that, yeah, horizontal or vertically. Smeared a bit. That gives it an interesting effect, I think. So yeah, that is how my layout looks. I think this is pretty simple, and I can definitely fill it out. I'll probably do that later tonight, but this is, I think, pretty simple enough.